Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to look at some traffic sources. Now, if you guys don't understand what is happening on this channel, I'm here specifically to talk to you and share with you my journey online, but mainly to look at the marketing side of the business as well as the cryptocurrency side, which I use, which is a wealth building asset for me. And I focus on doing those two things. So you're going to find a lot of information on this channel. And if it interests you, definitely let me know. Put a comment below and tell me how you think the video is going, the channel is, and whether it can support you any further. Okay. While we are on this, I'm just thinking, lovely. I had some. Yeah, just let that go, guys. I do have some things going on in the background, but we're going to get into traffic now. You guys should know that I'm a very upfront person in terms of giving you the information provided for the Pro system, which is a system I built myself. And I am very proud of it, honestly, to see the progress, the proof, and the results that it's been giving me. So if it's up to you to actually think of getting into a mindset that's the right frame of mind, etc., then this video is going to help you. Now, I've been having quite a few conversations with people with regards to why do I get into paid traffic. In fact, that's one of the reasons why I sent an email out today, why I look at paid traffic. I'm going to break it down very simply for you. There's few things that are beneficial with paid traffic. One is that it boosts your learning curve, because the faster you make mistakes, guys, the faster you learn. Now, why do I say it boosts your learning curve? Because many people who get started with paid traffic presume that they pay something and they're going to get an ROI or return of their investment. So you get yield, you get a profit from whatever you have expenses. Okay. Let me tell you this, that big companies, no matter what company it is, they all have marketing budgets. They all have department budgets. They all take risks on a daily basis to say, okay, we're going to spend here because in the long run, we're going to get more income coming in daily from the system that we put into place. So this is a normal feature. I'm not doing something new. I'm doing something consistent. Okay. So I'm very much an advocate of consistency and very proud of being that truthful on it. So just having paid traffic is not going to change your world completely, but it's going to give you the platform which you need to learn the right skill sets in order for it to in order for you to start to develop an authentic brand for yourself and build your business on a day-to-day basis. Whatever you're doing, whether it's a gym, whether it is guitar lessons, whether it is an online business, whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever it is. One of the traffic sources that I use is YouTube, okay, is this video, is Facebook, is Instagram. I use also Twitter. These are free traffic sources, okay? Why do I say the free traffic sources? Because firstly, they are benefiting from you. And secondly, you are participating in a lead generation marketing mindset. So your copywriting skills increase while doing this. You become more passionate about the product you have. So that's why consistently putting out content, consistently marketing, whether it's free traffic or paid traffic, is good. But why paid traffic again? Well, free traffic does take some time. Okay, it takes consistency. It's slow. But once you start to understand your audience, see your following, it starts to pick up. But the benefit of having paid traffic with it is that it helps your free traffic as well, because you can send people to your Facebook, you can send people to FutureNet, you can send people to different platforms. In fact, that's one of the reasons why I use FutureNet, which is the site that I'm on right now. It's a social media site, and it pays 80 to 95%, actually 80 to 90% of the earnings that they have to back to their customers. And they have over they already reached 4 million users. They're the second best direct sales company right now as per the Alexa rankings. They're working with the UN. They have a foundation for charity. They have cafes all over the world. They're working in sports, and they're sponsoring sports events. So it's a beautiful company that's growing incredibly. In fact, it's part of the Pro system that I have. Now you can find a link to the Pro system in the description. But like I said, we're going to get into traffic. So FutureNet is one place where I focus on free traffic. Okay. There are people who are looking for business opportunities on FutureNet. I have advertisements, for example. There are advertisements right here on the side, as you can see. I post regularly so that I get likes, comments. I can see how many people have reached out. I'm just going to give you a quick view on this. I can see 70 people have viewed this post. So I'm getting more traffic, for example, to my YouTube channel and many other things. As I go down, you're going to see a lot of consistency basically from me. I do post on a regular basis to give guidance, to keep people motivated and show them that this is a platform worth building. Okay, but it's a free traffic source. So I'm going to get into my, I made a video last week, if I'm not mistaken, on best traffic sources for 2018, 2019. I'm going to leave it that way. I might link this video as well in the description of the current video that you're watching, so that you can have an overview of the three traffic sources that I have. But I'm also going to go through the traffic sources that you can see in that video right here. So it's up to you whether you want to watch this one, the other one. Basically, I want to come out and talk a little bit more about each traffic source as we go along. So, well, let's talk about Udimi a little bit more. Udimi is a brilliant traffic source for solo ads. It can be based on also your interests, your likes, and the businesses that you're getting into. Now, I must say that it takes consistency, okay? The normal way that traffic sites, or rather your traffic growth is such a way that it starts off right here, okay? You start to go down, and when I say start to go down, it's not a bad thing. Your revenue starts, your expenditure starts to, your revenue starts to go down because you're spending more than you're earning. And then people who are joining right here, they start, not joining, getting onto your list right here, they start to join later on. So then the trajectory goes quite high and can be a huge potential. So don't worry if you don't see results in 3 months or in 6 months. The most important thing, as I always say, is consistency. You're making those small steps within traffic building. That is the key element. Okay, so Udimi is a solo ad source. You can find low costs for solo ads that you can buy. You can find high quality solo ads that you can buy. So depending on your budget, you can allocate whatever funds you need for the week. Now, if you do click on the link to the traffic for Udemy, I'm going to give you basically the people who I, on a weekly basis, request, speak to, and get more traffic to my website and to my funnel and everything else. So it's a highly recommended source for myself. Like I said, I always look for sales because I want the people, the advice from the community, so that I can actually make the right call in the traffic sources. So hopefully you're getting an understanding of why traffic is such an important element in our business. And in fact, sorry, I needed a sip of coffee there. And in fact, that's one of the key crucial factors where I do this on a weekly basis, right? So what I do is, you can follow the strategy on every video of mine, but I'm just going to briefly explain it to you. It takes consistency, but I have a traffic budget for every week. So I set for myself a minimum. Okay, so I'm struggling when I was wondering what I would do with the traffic budget, I said 200 is the best traffic budget for me. Why? To begin with, okay, just to begin. Then you can increase it, and that's going to give you more results. Because 200 means $50 every single week. $50 every single week is basically saving up on those things that you should not be doing, your vices you can think of. It's not difficult to get $50 every week and keep that going, keep that going, week in and week out, guys, week in and week out. And where do you send this traffic to? You send it to a funnel. Don't just send it to a sales page. Send it to a landing page. Send it to a page like this. Let me just open a new tab, and I'm going to go to my website. Excuse me. I'm going to go to my website so you can see. Send them to a page like this, which is branded for yourself. If you want, it's branded to someone else. It depends on you. Okay, I like to brand myself, so therefore it's a picture of myself. I'm going to talk about these things in my funnel, and people come to this page, and the main aim is to put an email address there. They put an email address there, and I can communicate with them. Okay, they become part of this whole building your business from scratch. Okay, and it's a domino effect, literally a domino effect. So Udemy is a really good traffic source that I would suggest anybody to get into. I'm not going to talk about the other ones. Udemy has been here for years now, so they're definitely not going anywhere. And if people say, no, but how can I get consistent traffic? It's really difficult for me. I highly doubt it. Okay, the sources are there, the quality is there. You have to be diligent enough to take action every single week. Now, most of you may ask me, David, why are you not promising the world? Why are you not being so positive about things? I am positive, but I'm also very realistic, guys. And it takes consistency. I'm going to repeat this again and again in all my videos because it's so important. Before you do anything, you need to be consistent in your work. So when I ask a question to one of you, and maybe some people have been watching these videos, or they get inspired to come on and see my videos, I want to ask everyone who's watching this video specifically this question. Now, let me know in the comments below, what are you willing to do to keep things running? This is one of the elements. Okay, this is one of the key, and I want you to think about it and not give a generic answer, but something that is a specific action. I'm going to build my Instagram to 10,000 followers. I am going to send traffic every single week and put out content. I'm going to write an amazing follow-up. I'm going to check on my follow-up. These are actions that you can do that actually have impact on your business. Okay, so that's it from me, honestly. I hope that it gave you an idea of what I'm doing. My strategy is pretty simple. In fact, I'm not going to leave a link to my strategy in this video, but you can check out the pro system. There's going to be a link to that. I am going to put a link to the best traffic sources to this page, and you can check it out as well. But specifically, the page can be found within the pro system itself. So I will just link the other video, and that's it. Take a look at it. Go through it. Understand the strategy involved. Because this business model is not something just made up. It's a business model that's been on for a long time and has proven track record. Okay, so it's up to you to implement the actions. I cannot guarantee anything. Whatever it is, whether it's Online Sales Pro that you join, whether it's FutureNet that you join, whether it is iCoin Pro that you join, whether it is EXP Asset that you join, these are the companies that I work with on my channel. In fact, if you're interested in any of these companies, hit the subscribe button, guys. I'd appreciate it, but at the same time, you can get updates on everything that I'm doing. So that's it from me. Today is a lovely day for traffic. I have set aside my budget for the entire month. Everything is set for me, and I'm just going to keep hammering it in until you guys understand the importance of being consistent in even buying traffic. Okay, paid traffic works. You got to believe it. You got to take the action, and you have to ask yourself, am I doing the right thing? Have a great day. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video, which is going to be a little bit interesting because I'm going to talk about many things that the pro system is doing, as well as if you're interested in a little trivia. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. You're going to see it on the next video. So I encourage you to click the subscribe button and the bell notification, and you're going to see me on the next one. Have a great day. Keep rocking. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.